Welcome to Ansumana Explore. I told you, you know what I mean? We explore everything. We explore the food. It is what it is, you know. This is just a sneak peek of what I do behind the scene.
Good thing, man.
Yes. So I have my brother here. We're doing some barbecue, just having some good time, some good fun, you know. So it is what it is. Subscribe to the channel, tell your friend to tell your friend, and make sure you leave a positive comment and a positive, constructive feedback.
Yeah, man.
So,
it's a big snack going, you know.
yeah, man, we
Yeah,
got
man.
Rasta
Park,
man
we
here,
are
man.
here, you know. We are eat some little park, you know. We got some little food. And we are playing some music. And music we are play. And me, I love Africa.
Yeah, man.
You know. Kenya, we coming.
Kenya, we coming, man.
What is the name of the village, man?
Nyangoge.
Nyangoge.
Yeah, Nyangoge.
I will be there.
We coming,
No
man.
matter
We
what.
coming.
You know
My
what I
brother's
mean?
coming to Nyangoge.
I want to
For
come
sure.
down Nyangoge and see what's going on.
More
down
investment
Kenya, you know?
coming to Nyangoge.
We
man.
right here.
More good things coming to Nyangoge.
We're right here.
So it is what it is.
Right,
so this is what we're here for today.
Blessed, man.
And blessed food. And you know what I mean? I tell you, people, we just do great things here. Nothing else, nothing more. Make sure you enjoy this content. And let me just show you this beautiful view you see here. You know what I mean? The sky. It's just the back of my yard. And with the bakayada, man, all the Jamaicans, what up, what up, what up? Wagwan Jamaicans, man. Wagwan, where you at, man? Let's come barbecue together. You know, so just in my little area, my little corner, doing some few things. So let me show you, guys. You see, man, I'm just how you call it? I'm not edited it yet. I'm not edited, so we just like, you know what I mean, working on some few things. So let me show you, man. This we call this. So let me show you what. Let me tell you what is this, and maybe you don't understand the process and what it went through and what I did for it to get where it is for now. So let me explain. So we call this ribs. This is pork ribs. Yeah, this is a pork rib. So me, I love to eat pork ribs. I can't lie to you people. I love eating pork ribs, and basically most times that's what I eat. So it involves a lot of process, bite, and you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find a time, not today, but I'm gonna find a time where I'm gonna be doing that process and show you the whole process, how it is done. For today, let's eat this food, let's enjoy, because I have my friend, my brother here. You know, we're gonna have some good time, good fun with this food. So let me just show you how it is. You know what I mean? So I also do some chicken wings too. I want to bring the chicken wings to put it there, but I've done some other few things with the chicken wings. I'm going to do the same process with this one too. So my good people, you know what I mean, just enjoy the view, enjoy the scene, and enjoy. That's over there is just a school. You see, that's a school. Yes, it's a school. That's an Upper Derby. Yeah, school. They call it where. Yeah, Upper Derby School. So basically it is what it is. And bro, do you wanna say anything?
That's cool. All right.
Or I wanna leave the content with you. I wanna do some few stuff, so you keep saying whatever you wanna say on this channel. It's my channel, it's Ansumana Explore. So you tell people to subscribe to the channel and tell them to leave a positive comment. So take over the channel.
Yeah, man.
You can introduce yourself.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, my people. I'm Festus Malo, you know, all the way from Africa to Jamaica, and Jamaica down America again. So I love Africa, I love my people. This is Ansumana channel. He just started doing stuff, so I like everybody. I'm, you know, asking everybody, please subscribe to his channel, and we got much more to do. We're just starting off. That is him right there. You guys see him doing his stuff.
So we're doing, you know, I'm doing it here.
It's a
guys.
Rasta thing. So the more you subscribe, the more we'll give you more content. We're about to work on plenty content to go to the Caribbean,
For sure.
to go some all over the area, all over the world, to bring the world closer to you.
Yes.
If you cannot go to the world, we will bring the world closer to you. So please subscribe. Thank you very much.
Yes. So this is what it is. Subscribe to the channel. I can't go that way until the video is over.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Just hold it there for me and put it here. So subscribe to the channel, my good friend, my good people. You can zoom it if you want to. So subscribe to the channel and tell your friend to tell your friend, and make sure we share this content. It's very important. You know, I told you it's Ansumana Explore. I'm in the kitchen. I'm a chef for today. I'm a chef behind, you know what I mean, this great stove here. I do my own thing here in my own little corner. So for now, I told you what I'm doing now here is I'm taking off all this stuff from this stuff here. And so what I'm gonna do here is, let me get something with first. So let me show people. So what I'm gonna do here is, this is the barbecue sauce. We call it the sweet spicy barbecue sauce. I'm not making adverts for them, please, my people. These are adverts. I'm just showing you so you know. So I'm gonna put a little bit on this meat, the chicken ribs, mix it and put it back on the stove. Then we get it going. So yeah, it's not bad. So basically that's what we're doing. So my good people, follow me. Let me show you. So Mr. Malo, come with the camera here. I want to show them something too. What we just did. So so this is what happened here. So this is the same process. So now Mr. Malo, come with the camera. Come quick. So what we're gonna be doing here is, I'm gonna put this one here a little bit. You know, so, and we kind of like, yes, Mr. Malo, this. So Mr. Malo is behind the camera for me for today. You know, he's my cameraman. So shout out to him. Subscribe to the channel. Shout out to my brother Gichero. Shout out to the Gichero family. Shout out to Ole Mayani. Shout out to Maxwell Lumumba. Shout out to JT Poker. Shout out to Nairobi Teacher. Shout out to Gentu. Shout out to AM Carol. Shout out to all the YouTubers, the good people. Shout out to the Only Mayani. Shout out to everybody in the village. Shout out to Sigano. Shout out to Gicheru. And also shout out to Nyangoge Smart Farm. I'm coming. Nyangoge Smart Farm is coming. Yes, we're coming. But today, Ansumana Explore is exploring some good stuff here, back in my bakayada, making sure things go down. Really, it has to go down. So please subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It is Ansumana Explore. Wherever you're watching from Nyabuhansi, from Nyangoge, my good people in Nyangoge, I love you all to the max, to the bone. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It's your son, it's your boy, it's your guy, it's your everything. Nyangoge Smart Farm, we're coming to the village of Nyangoge. I love you people. I'm coming. We're coming thick, thin, and tight. So, but today we're in the kitchen. So basically, as I told you, let me get back to the normal routine what we're talking about here. So I'm gonna do this here, and this is the chicken wings. Yes. So yeah. So you're gonna bring the camera here for me. So you're the cameraman, eh? So you're gonna be the cameraman. So I'm gonna put this.
No problem. Keep
yeah. So there's the chicken wings.
Keep going.
I'm gonna put it back here. Yes. So I want to make sure I spread it really good so that I just want to make sure it's proper.